Every day, we make thousands of decisions, from what to eat for breakfast to life-changing choices. But have you ever wondered how your brain processes these decisions? What drives your choices, and why do we sometimes make irrational decisions? In this video, we'll dive deep into the psychology behind decision-making, explore the biases that influence us, and uncover fascinating facts about how your brain works. Let's get started. Decision-making is a complex process that involves multiple regions of the brain. The prefrontal cortex, often called the brain's CEO, plays a key role in rational thinking and planning. Meanwhile, the amygdala, responsible for emotions, can sometimes override logic, especially in high-stress situations. Did you know that the average adult makes about 35,000 decisions every day? That's a lot of work for your brain. But here's the catch: not all decisions are made consciously. In fact, research shows that up to 95% of our decisions are driven by subconscious processes. This means that many of our choices are influenced by biases, habits, and emotions without us even realizing it. Let's talk about cognitive biases, the mental shortcuts our brains use to make decisions faster. While these shortcuts can be helpful, they often lead to errors in judgment. For example, confirmation bias makes us seek out information that supports our existing beliefs while ignoring evidence to the contrary. Another common bias is the anchoring effect, where we rely too heavily on the first piece of information we receive. Imagine you're shopping for a laptop. The first price you see becomes your anchor, and all other prices seem like a bargain compared to it, even if they're not. Here's a surprising fact: even experts are not immune to biases. Studies show that doctors, judges, and financial analysts often fall prey to these mental traps. So, why does this happen? It's because our brains are wired to conserve energy. Thinking critically takes effort, and biases allow us to make quick decisions without expending too much mental energy. But understanding these biases can help us make better choices. Emotions play a huge role in decision-making, often more than we realize. Have you ever made a decision in the heat of the moment and later regretted it? That's your emotions taking the wheel. Research shows that people with damage to the emotional centers of their brain struggle to make even simple decisions, like what to eat or wear. This is because emotions help us assign value to different options. For instance, fear can make us overly cautious, while excitement can lead to impulsive decisions. Here's an interesting fact: a study found that judges are more likely to grant parole after lunch when they're in a better mood. This phenomenon, known as the hunger bias, shows how even subtle emotional states can influence our choices. So, the next time you're faced with a tough decision, take a moment to check in with your emotions. It might just save you from a bad choice. As technology advances, the way we make decisions is also evolving. Artificial intelligence is already helping us analyze data and make predictions, but what if we could enhance our own decision-making abilities? Brain-computer interfaces, like those being developed by companies like Neuralink, could one day allow us to process information faster and more accurately. Imagine being able to access vast amounts of data instantly or even communicate decisions telepathically. However, with these advancements come ethical questions. Will AI make better decisions than humans? Could technology eliminate biases, or will it introduce new ones? And what happens when our decisions are influenced by algorithms we don't fully understand? The future of decision-making is full of possibilities, but it's up to us to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly. Understanding how your brain makes decisions is the first step toward making better choices. By recognizing the biases and emotions that influence us, we can take control of our decision-making process. Whether it's choosing what to eat, making a career move, or planning for the future, your brain is your most powerful tool. So, the next time you're faced with a tough decision, take a step back, analyze your options, and trust your brain, but don't forget to question it too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of psychology. And let us know in the comments, what's the toughest decision you've ever made? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.